In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage your TDS, or tax deducted at source, within your financial settings. Understanding and correctly implementing TDS is crucial for ensuring compliance and efficient financial management, whether you're dealing with customers or vendors. So let's dive in and break down the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to your settings. Within your application or platform, find and click on Settings. From there, select the Taxes option, followed by Direct Taxes. This is where you'll enable the TDS feature. You will notice an option to enable TDS, and you'll need to decide if this is going to apply to your customers or vendors. Make your selection carefully based on who will be subjected to these tax deductions in your transactions. And once you've made your choice, ensure to click Save. Afterward, navigate to the section labeled TDS Rates. To set up a new tax rate, click on the plus New TDS Rate button. Here, you'll create the specific tax rate that you require for your transactions. This will involve naming your new rate and defining its value based on the tax regulations applicable to your industry or region. It's essential to ensure that the correct percentage is entered here to avoid any discrepancies in your tax filings. Remember to save this new rate once it is set up. Now, once you've set up the TDS rate, the next step involves going to the individual contact, whether it's a customer or a vendor. For each entity, you'll want to enable TDS specifically by editing their contact details and ensuring that TDS is enabled for them. Doing this step will ensure that every transaction involving that particular customer or vendor will automatically take into account the proper TDS deduction. Let's move on to handling TDS during transactions, starting with when you're paying a vendor. For TDS payable situations, create a bill in your payment system. In the Total section of the bill, select the TDS option. Then, choose the appropriate tax rate which you've previously set up. This ensures that the TDS is calculated and deducted accurately from your payment to the vendor, helping you comply with tax regulations and maintain smooth financial operations. On the flip side, when you're the one receiving payment from a customer and TDS is involved, you'll manage what's termed as TDS receivable. As you're recording a payment for an invoice, make sure you check the box labeled Tax Deducted. Then, enter the amount of TDS that has been withheld. This step is critical to ensure that your records reflect the correct amounts and your tax liabilities are accurately reported. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage TDS in your financial workflows. This setup helps maintain compliance and provides clarity in your financial processes. Remember to update your TDS settings whenever there are changes to tax laws or your business situation to ensure everything remains accurate and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.